Hello friends, I am here to teach you again with another great video and strategy. I hope you watch the video till the end and learn well. The time frame of our strategy is 15 minutes, and we take a position in this time frame. Today's strategy has a win rate of nearly 80% and the risk to its reward is 2. We need two indicators that we add to the chart from the indicator section: SSL hybrid, QQE mod. Go to SSL indicator settings and disable the tick of these options. Baseline upper channel, baseline lower channel, plus a TR, negative a TR, plot background. Everything is ready now. Let me show how the strategy works in practice. For long positions: 1. The SSL indicator line should be green. 2. The price is above the line. 3. The color of QQE mod bars should be green. In these conditions, the rising signals that the SSL indicator shows us with a green arrow are valid, and we enter a long position. In shorts positions: 1. The SSL indicator line should be red. 2. The price is below the line. 3. The color of the QQE mod bars should be red. In these conditions, the downward signals shown by the SSL indicator with a red arrow are valid, and we enter the short position. Let's give an example to understand better. In this area, the SSL indicator line is red and the price is below the line, and at the same time the QQE mod bars are also red. So we are looking for a short position. As you can see, the bearish signal is indicated by the SSL indicator with a red arrow. And we open a short position at this point. And we set stop loss and tippy. We put the stop loss on top of the previous roof and put a tippy twice as long as the stop loss. As you can see, the position is closed with profit. Let me tell you that you must put a stop loss and a tip for all positions. In this area, the SSL indicator line is green and the price is above this line. At the same time, we look at the QQE mod indicator bars. We see that the color of the bars is also green. So the conditions for the long position are MADS. Seeing the bullish signal of the SSL indicator, we take long position and set stop loss and tip. As you can see, it closes with profit. This strategy is one of my special strategies, and I use it a lot during the day, because it is useful and profitable. I took a backtest of this strategy and method 100 times, and I am completely satisfied with this method. I hope that by watching this tutorial and practicing it, you will gain a skill that you can benefit from. The only way is to practice this strategy. If you have any questions, comment immediately so that I can answer personally. Here, the indicator line is red and the price is below the red line. And the QQE mod indicator bars are also red. So we wait for the downward signal of the SSL indicator. And seeing the downward arrow, we enter the short position and manage the transaction. The position was closed with profit. Just master this strategy in practice. You will always get profit from the market. Here the indicator line is green and the price is above the line. The color of the QQE mod indicator bars is also green. We take a long position with the SSL indicator signal and place a stop loss and a tip. We have reached the end of the video. I hope you liked it and got excited. Please subscribe and like to motivate us. Also, leave a comment about your videos and topics so that I can study videos related to them. I will open several other trades so that you can better understand and see how the strategy works and the win rate increases.